Hello everyone, myself Precision. I'm coming up with session 3, natural resource conservation. What is conservation of natural resources? As the human population is growing continuously, the consumption of natural resources is also increasing. With the increase of industrialization and urbanization of the modern human society, the use of all these resources is increasing day by day. So it is very important that we need to manage all our natural resources to prevent its exploitation, destruction or degradation. So we need to help our Mother Earth. We have to protect it. We have to save it. This is our responsibility. Nobody else will come and do this thing for us. So we need to take care of our Mother Earth. So conservation involves the protection and wise use of our natural resources, and it basically includes soil, water, air, energy, wildlife and open space. We need to save all. By adopting the following measures, children, we can easily save and conserve our environment in reducing the carbon footprint. 3 R's: soil conservation, water conservation, energy conservation, forest conservation. So here we have certain tips to reduce the carbon footprint. If we will follow these things, that reducing of bottled water consumption, carpooling, go 1 week without using disposable, turn your lights off, eat lunch by using the home material. So all these things are very useful. We have to follow reduce, reuse and recycle methods to take care of our resources. This is very important. Stop overbulling, over preparing and leaving the overfood. Use garage sales. Disposals should be taken care of. These all are very nice steps to take care of our resources. You all can see here a plastic bottle is undergoing through the process of recycling and is available in the market again. So this is also one of the very good steps when we travel. Just crush a bottle and throw in the recycling bin so that we can again get it back in a new way. Children, soil conservation is also a process of preserving soil's fertility, and it causes, because of the land overuse, /and burn farming, chemical contamination in the soil. And the methods of soil conservation, we have crop rotations, that is changing of crops to the different field, no tillage farming, terrace farming is very important, wind breaks and intercropping, earthworms are also very helpful in conserving the soil. Here you can see how the crop rotation is taking place. The tillage farming is also should be stopped. Then we have terrace farming, where steps are created to stop the water on that stair itself, and wind breaks and intercropping is also one of the method. Then water conservation measures, we have use a broom instead of hose pipe. When washing the car, use the on and off nozzle. Water lawns in the morning or evening when water will not evaporate quickly. If you need to run water before it comes hot, store the cool running water in a bottle for use in rinsing dishes. When washing dishes by hand, use a sink full of rinse water. Fix the leakages. Then install a low flow shower head. Turn off the water when it is not in the use. Run the dishwasher or washing machine only with a full load. Keep a bottle of cold drinking water in the refrigerator. Limit shower time to 5 minutes. These all are, we have energy conservation measures. How we can save the energy in our home, in our house, by following these many activities. And then we have methods of forest conservation. For this, we need to control over the forest fire. We have to follow reforestation and afforestation. Check over the forest clearance for agricultural purposes. Establishment of national park and sanctuaries for the animals so that they can live there. So children, I hope you have studied about that how we can conserve our natural resources and take care of it. Thank you so much.